Hi everyone, welcome to my brand new video. In this video I'm going to show you, or I'm going to solve a problem. You can see here, here is the problem. Your image dimension is smaller than the minimum supported of 124 and 576 pixel. So how you can solve it? If you want to change your YouTube cover picture, then you will find such kind of problem. Right now I am going to solve it. For doing this, I have come here on this YouTube channel, then click on here on your YouTube logo, then click on here on your channel name, then you will find such kind of interface and click on here, that is edit option. Right now I'm going to change this. You can see here I'm going to change the cover picture and I'm going to select it, and here is it. I will change it. Whenever I'm going to change, then you can see here such kind of problem I am facing here. So if you face such kind of problem, what you will do? You have to make a cover picture with this YouTube cover picture size. For doing this, just go to here on your Chrome browser. Alright, then if you come here on Chrome browser, okay, then you have to search here something. I'm going to search something here, that is YouTube cover picture size. So type here YouTube cover photo size. Alright, then you will find here is it. Look at here, YouTube cover photo size. You have to make a photo that is 2560 into 1440, this size. I'm going to make it zoom. Okay, just wait a minute. So I'm going to download it for showing you guys. Alright, so it's going to be download here. Okay, so I have got to go here on my profile, and you can see here, that is, just wait a minute. Okay, here is it. So here is the size 252/60. Then okay, after doing this, after making such kind of photo, so I have already made a photo in this side, then I am going to fix it. Alright, okay, again I'm going to go here. Now I am going to upload that photo size. You can see here. Okay, I made a photo according that side. Okay, so make it fixed it. Alright, you can see here this photo is fitted. Then click on save. Right now, just wait a second, it will be saved soon, and you can see here this photo has been uploaded. So you have to make this photo according to the YouTube cover photo size, then it will be okay. So thank you so much for watching my video. If you feel better, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for getting new videos.